I have made this, and this app by my own, and now I am using it on my mobile on a daily basis. See how accurate and simple to operate it is. I have been getting a lot of requests asking to make a tutorial on how to make an app, Android app which you can use in mobile. So in this video I am going to show you how to build Android app from start to finish for your mobile. Here what we are going to covering in this particular video. First, we will see how to build AI app in Google AI Studio, how to deploy that app with secret tip to never get an error in any platform, how to turn that app files into an APK file, and finally, how to install the app on your mobile. Basically, this one video you will learn the full process from building the app to covering it to installing it on your mobile phone. And in my next video, I will show you how to publish your app on the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. So let's build your first AI powered mobile app together. First, let's understand the concept of what we are going to do. In the first step, we will first have an idea for an app. Then we will make the app using Google AI Studio. Now AI Studio will give you only a simple front end and it will give us all the core files, but it does not give any shareable link of the app. So in second step, what we will do is convert those core files into a web link, make it live on internet and make it shareable. And in the third and last step, for mobile usage like a real app, we will convert that web link into mobile app file, which is an APK. So we will do this conversion online and finally we will install that APK file on our mobile. I hope this concept is clear in your mind. Now let's start it. Let's start by opening Google AI Studio. You might already know this, but AI Studio has received a completely new update. Let me show you how to use Gemini 2.5 Pro to build a full app from zero. For new viewers, let me show the whole interface. The AI Studio Coder is now version 2.0 and the best part is that's 100% free. It's also ready for Google's upcoming Gemini 3 model. Once you are inside AI Studio, look at the left side menu and click on Build section. This is where you can create apps and websites just by typing simple prompts. Similar to tools like Lovable, Bolt.new, but this one costs you nothing. It's totally free for everyone. What makes Google AI Studio powerful is that it includes built-in context for all Gemini APIs, so you can build advanced AI apps easily. You can build apps with Google Maps support, voice-based apps, apps that analyze and understand images, or even image generation and editing apps using the all-new Nano Banana APIs. And if you don't want to use Gemini AI at all, that's also fine. You can simply use AI Studio as a coding assistant to build normal apps without any that kind of AI features. There is also an I am feeling lucky button. When you click it, AI Studio will create a random demo app ideas and start building it for you automatically. It's great when you just want to experiment. Now let's understand the interface. Now click on models. By default, the model selected is Gemini 2.5 Pro, but you can switch to Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is faster for small tasks. Below that, there is a section called System Instruction. Here you can type special rules for your app or upload a file that contains instruction. Next, you can choose the app template. Right now, Google AI Studio offers React and Angular, both templates. You can get also microphone option if you want to speak instead of typing. And inside the chat window, you can upload files like images, PDF, text file, or even UI designs. And the AI will follow it while generating your project. Now let's actually create an app. This time I want to build a simple finance tracker, something that can track my monthly expenses, income, savings, and also show a summary. So I'm giving this prompt to Google AI Studio. Create an app to track my monthly expenses. User should be able to add expenses, income, see a summary of savings, and get a pie chart for analytics, and also receive tips to improve savings. So I have selected this prompt and given to this particular AI Studio, and now I am just giving it build. Let's see what AI Studio built for this. You can see that Google AI Studio has already started working. It reads the prompt, plans the logic, and generates clean and simple code for entire app automatically. It creates everything, the structure, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, all by itself. If you know coding and want to change the code, then just go to the code section and you can change and modify your app according to your codes. And if you are not into coding and not know about anything coding, then it's completely fine. You just chat with AI Studio as a friend and tell what you actually want and what you want to change in your app, and it will instantly update the code for you. I really like how smooth and fast Google AI Studio is. It's super easy to use and feels the way better than many apps which building apps by themselves. But Google AI Studio is best in free version. And yes, our finance tracking app is ready. You can see the complete dashboard interface right here. The interface looks clean and simple. All the options, expense, income, everything are right there. So let's test it. So now I'm adding $10,000 as my salary's income. Now let's add some expenses. I'm adding 3,000 for food, 2,000 for travel, and lastly let me add 1,000 for rent expenses. That's it. And look at this result. The app instantly shows my saving summary. You can see this. And there is even a pie chart that shows me my expense divisions, means how much percentage of my total expenses is divided in particular which category. Also, if you can see, it is having get the insights section from which we can get some tips and tricks to optimize our expenses. Let me check it. I'm just clicking this and get insight button, and it's like a chatbot. It's singing something. And yes, it has given us some insights on our finance. You can see this savings, expensing, and all it has mentioned. It's something like tips for or advisor for you. For something built in just a few seconds, this is actually really good. I genuinely like how smooth this app feels. Google AI Studio also gives us device preview mode. In this, you can preview your app on mobile, laptop, and tablet with just one click. Just look at this. You can instantly see how your UI will appear across different screens. I think it's helpful for checking the layout, design, and overall user experience before deploying. This feature makes testing and polishing your app so easier. Okay, now that we have built the app, let me show you how to deploy it. Inside Google AI Studio, as you all know, you get 3 deployment options. First one is download the app and host it on your platform, whatever you prefer. Second will be the connect it to GitHub and deploy it using third-party hosting services. And third is deploying it directly on Google Cloud, which is Google's own hosting platform. I have already created detailed video explaining all 3 methods, so you can check them on my channel. If you are feeling any difficulty, just mention it on your comments. But here I will give you a quick demo of the first method, hosting the app by downloading it, and also I will deploy it, the last method, third method, on Google Cloud. You can host your app whichever you choose and fits best for you. So here I will demo you the 2 method out of these 3. So first, let deploy it with Google Cloud method, which is safest and easiest way. So just click on the deploy app option in the last one, and then choose an existing cloud project or create a new one. I will create the new one and name it Finance Tracker. You will see a message explaining that your app will get a public URL and your Google AI Studio API key will not be exposed anywhere in the app. This is one of the best advantage of deploying through Cloud Run. Your API key stays secure and protected behind the scenes. Next, you need to enable billing on your cloud project to continue. Here, please note, Google Cloud does not automatically charge you. I'm getting too many comments on this, but don't worry, it will not charge you. You will only be billed if you manually upgrade to a full pay-as-you-go plan. So for now, you are completely safe. Just sign into your Google account, click agree and continue, complete the quick setup steps, and add your billing details. You won't be charged. This is simply required to activate the free tier usage. Once that's done, go back to Google AI Studio and hit that refresh button. After, if your billing is enabled, you will see the click button of deploying app. So I'm just clicking this deploy app button. Google Cloud Run will start building your app, and within a few moments, you will receive a public URL. You can see this, we have got this. Click the link and that's it. Your app is now live on the internet, hosted for free on Google Cloud. Let's open the link. It's working perfectly. You can now share this URL with your friends and team or anyone who want to try this app. It's live, functional and running securely on Google's server. Now let's see the second method of deploying by downloading this app directly. For this method, we will download the app and deploy it on the Netlify and get the web link for this. But many of you are facing difficulty here. I got to know that after deploying on Netlify, sometimes you don't get the app link or it gives you the blank screen only. So I have solution for that also. And this is the bonus tip for you. Before downloading this app, just instruct Google AI Studio that you are going to deploy it on Netlify. So make this app suitable for Netlify environment. By this way, Google AI Studio will change some codes and make it suitable for Netlify environment. So for this app, I am just giving this prompt to AI Studio that to deploy this app on Netlify, make this Netlify environment friendly. Okay, so I have given this instruction. Now AI Studio will change some coding and make your app suitable for Netlify deployment. Now it's done. Click on download app inside Google AI Studio. This will give you a zip file containing all your projects file. You can unzip it and you can see all folders, all codes are there. Now go to website called Netlify. It allows free hosting for our site. Netlify is a modern web development platform that helps developers build, deploy, and scale websites and applications. It provides an all-in-one solution for front-end teams, combining global hosting, integrated back-end services, and automated workflows. It's also a key platform in the Jamstack approach to web development. Netlify is perfect for getting a public URL for your app, which is all we need right now. If you want to use TinyHost or any other temporary hosting platform, then you can do that as well. The main goal is simply to generate a working link for our app. Now, open Netlify, sign up and go to the Add New Project section. Then select the Deploy Manually option. Here, drop a folder with your app, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all files, means our downloaded folder from Google AI Studio. But before uploading, please unzip it. You have already did it. And now I'm uploading this whole folder here. Then click Deploy. Wait for just few seconds while Netlify is deploying our app. You can see the deployment process here. And here you will receive a public link for your hosted app. Let's open it. And yes, it loads perfectly. Let's quickly taste it. Okay, everything works exactly as expected and as seen in Google AI Studio. Here again, if you see any blank screen or a link will not work, then you just give some instruction to Google AI Studio that you want to host it here, and if you want to host on Netlify, then give like that instruction, or just give it a instruction that you want to host on other third party deployment platform, and it will change the code and make the app that environment friendly. Now it's our last and third step of converting web link to APK file. We have the public link for our app from both method. Means I have web link from Netlify also, and also from Google Cloud hosted app link. So the next step is to convert this web link into an APK file. Here, please don't get confused. I have created two links to show you how to get web link from both methods. Here you can go with any of this method and get your URL. Now to convert it into web link to APK, we will use tool like web to APK. There are many websites that converts a web URL to an APK file. Just search web to APK converter on Google and choose anyone you like. For this demo, I'm using the web to APK website. I will mention all using links, website links in description, so you can easily check that out. Once you are on the site, simply paste the link you got from Netlify or Cloud Run. Next, give your app a name, upload an icon if you have, otherwise it will automatically choose that star icon, and click on Make App button. The website may ask you to sign up, so complete the quick sign up process and then click Make App again. Within few seconds, usually in 3 to 5 seconds, it will generate a downloadable folder for you. Now you can see this folder. Now download this folder. I have downloaded and open this folder. Unzip it. Inside you will see two important files. Inside another folder you will see the two important files, .apk file and .aab file. Here let me explain this quickly. The APK is Android Package Kit, is a traditional installable app file. This is the file you use to install the app directly on your Android mobile phone. And the .abb is the Android app bundle, is a newer publishing format. You cannot install an AAB file directly. It is used only when you want to publish your app on the Google Play Store, because Play Store automatically convert it into optimized APKs for each users. So for now, we only need APK file. Just transfer this file to your mobile. You can send it through WhatsApp or Google Drive or any other method you prefer. Don't touch or delete other files. Just leave everything as it is. Our main goal is to simply install the APK file on our phone. Now you can see this APK file in my mobile. I am just tapping on it and installing it. The process is simple. Just press install and wait for some seconds and it will be installed on your Android phone. Done. Let's open it. Yes, the interface is exactly the same as we created earlier. Let's test it. And everything works perfectly. You can see I can add expense, I can add incomes. I'm having that pie chart also, it is seeing. So our app is ready. You can create your own app, tools, and even simple games in the same way. Fast, easy, and without writing any complicated code. You can see this game I have made from this way only, and I am playing in my mobile. The same way I have created this Kelsey app also, simple calculator app. Okay, so I think by this video you have learned something, how to create an app and how to install in your mobile. This is one of the easiest way to test, experiment, and validate your app idea from start to finish directly on your mobile. In my next video, I will show you how to publish this app on the Google Play Store and how you can start earning from it. I hope this video answered your questions and cleared your doubts. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who might need it. Let me know your views in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.